If your Infinix Hot 50 Pro is facing a battery terminal problem, such as battery not detected, no charging, or a loose connection, this video will help you fix it. We'll show you tested jumper ways, battery connector solutions, and hardware check step by step. Whether the battery is disconnected or the terminal is broken, you'll learn how to repair it easily. Follow the guide carefully for a permanent solution. Battery terminal solution jumper ways, tested no charging and connection fix. Subscribe for more mobile repairing tutorials and hardware solutions.